Got some Lowe's deals for you. And this one's going to be a short one. It's going to just be the deals of the day for Lowe's. But I thought it was a couple good deals, so I wanted to share it with you. So first up, we got some flex deals. So we're going to go ahead and click onto this. So one of the deals of the day is the Flex 1-inch SDS rotary hammer drill. Now this says it's 130, 129. Deal of the day. This is just going to be for October 4th. But they're also doing a buy more, save more with this. So if we go ahead and add this to the cart, go ahead and view cart. Let me do the protection plan. Go ahead and view cart. You're going to get an extra discount here with that buy more, save more. So total price on that, no tax included, obviously, is going to be $109 for the SDS. So not a bad deal. So pretty much with the buy more, save more, if you spend $99, you're going to get $20 off. If you spend $200, you're going to get $50 off. And then if you spend $300, you're going to get $100 off. So right there, spending over $100 on this at $129, they're knocking an extra $20 off on this, bringing it down to $109. So nice deal on that. They also have the Flex rear handle 7¼ inch circular saw. Now both of these are tool deals only, no batteries included. But once again, you're going to get this for $129 for the deal of the day, plus you're going to take that extra $20 off. So we'll go ahead, add this to the cart. No protection plan. Now, because I got two of these in the cart, it's going to be a little bit more of a discount. So as you guys can see, because I got two in there, this is going to be over $200. Now the prices have dropped to $104 for each one of these, because we're getting a little bit more of a discount. But if I go ahead and take the SDS off, now that circular saw is coming in at $109. So pretty nice discount if you guys are looking for some flex power tools. And then they got one more deal. It's going to be the Metabo. So this is the 1/4-inch impact driver. You got two batteries that are being included with this. So you get two 2 amp-hour batteries. You get your charger, hard case. And this is the triple hammer 1/4-inch impact driver. And this one's going to be coming in at $129. No added discounts with this one. Go ahead and add it to the cart just to make for sure. Yeah, so no added discounts with this. This is just going to be a flat $129 plus tax. And then they do have the Cobalt air compressor over here, but for me it says unavailable. It says it was marked down to $149, was $179, but for me it says out of stock. So not sure what it's going to show up for you guys in your local area, but that's going to be another deal of the day. You guys are looking for a compressor. So just a quick video, guys. I thought this Flex power tool deals were pretty good, especially with the buy more, save more. If you guys are interested in Harbor Freight's having a parking lot sale, and I posted a video on that recently. I'll make sure I post it at the end of this video for the top deals for that parking lot sale. That's going to start October 6th. But that's going to be it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys. I will talk to you later.